lenses are always, I'm trying to keep this clean. You guys know, I apologize, but the video was too long, and now we're gonna install the headlights, and here is the final product though. But look at that. Welcome to the channel, guys. Matty here as always. If you didn't watch the uploads that we put everything together, make sure to watch. I'll leave the link here and down in the description. It's just like our first ever custom headlights. The Corvette one was kind of a custom, but this one, it's totally different level, and we're gonna install it today. But before we go ahead, if you guys don't know, I have a PO box, and some people were sending me. I want to say thank you to Peter to send me this for my son. It's a C6 Corvette with a card. Thank you so much for the support. And I also want to give a big shout out to my friend PC. I'm a new member of the Natural Glass Corvette Club. Yes, I'm a Corvette Club guy now. So I'll leave the link for the club Facebook page so you guys can see. So here's all the paperwork. We got a Windows Tech and all the kind of stuff. This is going to my wall there too. So, well, I think now it's official. I'm a Corvette guy. But anyway, today is not about the Corvette, it's about the truck. We're gonna install the headlights. I don't think I'm gonna show it as much as like how to, because you guys probably did that way before I did. I have been dragging this headlights upgrade for a while, but you guys know I didn't want anything common out there, so I wanted that one. The only thing about this one though, I'm working with LASFIT so we can have LED in everything. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to have LED in everything, but hey, I can wait a couple days. For now, I'll just try to get whatever I have in the truck, which is LASFIT as well, in here. All right. I didn't see that box over there. My bad, my bad. All right, I think what we have to do is just start losing those bolts and probably push the grill a little bit. I think we need to go over here and, you know, lose the bumper as well. So I'll get that process going and I'll keep you guys updated on the process. I don't want to waste you guys' time. You guys probably know how to do it. I just want you guys to see the final product. And to be honest, I want to see that as well. So let's get to work. There's no other way to remove the headlights without removing the bumper, because there's a freaking bolt right there. Let me show you one thing that I found. And by the way, if you are new to the channel, I removed this bumper I don't know how many times, so I'm not gonna show how to do it. Just go through over. There are a couple of bolts over here that you need to access. Bring down the fender liner and go from inside, and you have access to those three. Same for the other side, so they are pretty much the same. There's one bolt here, one bolt here, and then there's one bolt here and one here. Basically the headlight has 4 bolts total, so the other one, it's over there, see? So with the bumper like this, we have access to it. But look at that, look at what I found here. Look at that, look, he's looking at me. Damn, it's completely dead, but he's definitely looking at us. It's there and he's getting out. I'm just gonna remove those 2 bolts that I show you guys, this one and that one over there, and then the headlights should come off. Yeah, there's no easier way to do this, unfortunately. Hurts to see the truck like this, but it's gonna look better. I hope I hope. So anyway, what's gonna happen here is I'm trying to, you guys know I have a LASFIT for all my LEDs, and I'm trying to swap them, you know, from here to here. So the only problem is the high beam, it's fine, it's working. I mean, I believe it's gonna work because it fits. But the low beam, which is this one here, we're not gonna be able because the bulb is completely different. So I'm talking with LASFIT about it to see what we can get. But as of now, the only one LED is gonna be the high beams, and I have to stick with that one for now until we figure out what we can do. All right. So with that being said, we're gonna just reverse the process and it should be done. And that's what I'm talking about. See, one is it's LED, the other one it's not. So it's gonna look awful for a while, but let me turn it off so you guys can see how that goes. I saw one problem though, but hey, it's not as bad. There you go. See here, you can kind of see the black fading down, but I mean, it's not as bad from here. But I mean, it's not perfect, so I don't know what would be the best solution for it. But dude, look at that! Damn it! Change the car. Well, let's finish the job. Let's put the other one, put everything back together, and then put the car outside so we can see better, right? No issues here so far. And remember, I told you you could not see like the silicone. So I hope we don't get water though. I really do, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I'll let you guys know in the long run. Dude, you guys know, and every time I gotta make a suspense, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, you know, sorry for that. But anyway, I mean, considering, you know, I did myself and I used cheap stuff, included the headlights. Those headlights are not the best quality. Maybe next step it's gonna be try to do something with the OEM one, but hey, here are the headlights. What do you guys think, huh? What do you guys think? So, to be honest, I really like it though. Dude, that just completely changed the car. Look at that. From this angle here. Now, imagine the grille white, the lower part and the middle part white, and just the middle black. What do you think? That's the next plan. I think you guys see here the color match happening, right? So we have a bunch of stuff to do, but dude, see, you can do this by yourself, totally by yourself. Just it's risky, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna see when we have a rain, and we're gonna see what happens. But so far, it's looking sharp. Let me put the lights on. And the only problem I saw so far, it's the fact I cannot do LED because I don't have the bulb. So I'm working with LASFIT on it. And also here, the LED stripe, see, I don't know if I should have done like, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 coats. So we're gonna see when it's really dark. I'll try to put a clip at the end of this video, so stick around, because at the very end I'm gonna put a clip at night so you can have a better idea how it goes. But that's how it's looking at night, like with the lights on. Once you put LED on that one, it's gonna be really nice, really nice. Yeah, boys, let me know what you think. If you like it, if you don't like it. To be honest, I haven't seen a Colorado with those headlights like this, like a custom headlight. So I'm proud that I did by myself. It's risky, again, it is, but hey, worst case scenario, I still have the OEM one, and I still have the other pair, which is the same one but in black. So we have options, right? But I'm gonna rock those for a while and see where that takes me. Of course, I need the LEDs like bad. I really need the LEDs. I don't like those yellow lights. So I'm gonna work with LASFIT. Let's see what we can get, and then we go from there. All right? Yeah, boys, I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. Again, the goal here is try to do stuff by ourselves. So if you want to do, if you have any questions, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I normally answer everybody on Instagram, so what are you waiting for? Try to get yours done. It's not hard at all. I mean, just take your time. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. As always, thanks so much for watching. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it. I told you I would show at night. There you go. That's at night. See? That's what I'm saying. Like, it doesn't look as bad. I mean, the camera looks bad, but person, you barely can see how that goes. But definitely it's throwing off. I don't know if there's a way to... Yeah, see? See how it looks like at night? I don't know, maybe I'll put it back in amber. What do you guys think? But from here, you barely can see how, you know, the black at night. And it looks white. So that's it. So I told you I would show you.